Hook. Are you frazzled, feeling like you're drowning in tasks and responsibilities? You're not alone. We're all juggling a lot these days. But what if the secret to success isn't about doing more, but about doing less? By cutting out unnecessary activities and focusing on what truly matters, you can reclaim your time, boost your productivity, and reduce your stress levels. Stay tuned till the end as I reveal the 5 crucial things you need to stop doing yourself. Trust me, it could be a game changer in simplifying your life and helping you achieve your goals. Welcome to the channel. Stop doing your own scheduling. Still playing calendar tag? The endless back and forth emails, trying to find a meeting time that works for everyone? Dedicate certain nights of the week to themed bulk cooking. How fun is that? Pasta Monday, Taco Tuesday, Soup Wednesday. Think of yourself as a leader, not a digital receptionist. You don't have to reply to every email immediately. Not only will this cut down on your cooking time, but it will also add some variety and excitement to your meals. Are you spending countless hours figuring things out on your own? We get it. You're a problem solver, and you like to dig into the details. But let's be honest, sometimes it's just not worth the time investment. Instead of spending 10 hours figuring something out, invest $10 in someone who already knows it. Whether it's taking a course, hiring a coach, or getting a Fiverr gig, shortcuts aren't cheating, they're smart. Mentors, coaches, and experts can provide invaluable insights and guidance, helping you learn new skills or solve problems quickly and efficiently. In many cases, they can teach you things that would have taken you years to discover on your own. Plus, they can save you from making costly mistakes. And don't forget the power of leftovers. With smart storage, they can be just as delicious the next day. It's a frustrating game and a total time suck. So why not call a truce? We understand the struggle of trying to stay on top of your inbox. It seems like a never-ending battle. But here's the thing, your inbox is not your job. Take back control by setting up filters, rules, and using apps like Superhuman or Spark to help you batch, delegate, and silence the email noise. If not, invest in someone who already knows it. You'll be glad you did. These tools can save you countless hours and help you focus on what really matters. Time to put down the Swiffer and pick up your life. You are not the janitor of your own life. Don't let housework consume your valuable time and energy. Consider hiring a professional cleaning service. Even if it's just once a month or every other week, it will give you back valuable time to focus on other areas of your life. You'll also free up mental space for bigger, bolder ideas. Remember, you don't have to do it all. In fact, trying to do everything alone is costing you the life you actually want. So start subtracting. Let go of the things that don't serve you and focus on what truly matters. That's how the successful buy their time back. Now it's your turn. It's the first thing you're going to stop doing yourself. Share your thoughts below. If you found this advice helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Use tools like Calendly or Google appointment slots so people can book time with you without you having to pencil them in manually. Your time is valuable. Don't waste it clicking through available dates. Cooking can be a daunting task after a long day. We admire your dedication to whipping up delicious meals. But let's be real, it's taking up a significant chunk of your time and energy. Why not explore some time-saving alternatives? Meal prepping twice a week can be a game changer. Or consider services like HelloFresh or a Factor that deliver pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes right to your doorstep. You'll enjoy restaurant-quality meals without the hassle of grocery shopping or meal planning. Plus, it's a great way to try new recipes and expand your culinary skills. Instead, focus on what matters most, growing your business and crushing your goals. Pro tip, add buffer time between meetings to avoid burnout. 2. Stop doing all the cleaning. Are you spending your precious weekend cleaning your house from top to bottom? And here's a bonus tip. Do a quick 10-minute reset daily. Wipe down counters, make your bed, but leave the deep cleans to the pros. 3. Stop cooking every single day. Are you tired of spending countless hours slaving away in the kitchen every night? We get it? Or here's another idea. 4. Stop doing your inbox manually. Are you constantly bombarded with email notifications? And here's a mind hack. 5. Stop learning everything the hard way. So before you dive into figuring something out on your own, ask yourself, is it worth the time investment? And there you have it. It's the 5 things you need to stop doing yourself if if you want more time and less stress.